Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can add bold text in your bio on your Facebook profile. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version and make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Let's open up the Facebook app, go to the menu icon, go to your profile, tap on edit profile, and here you can see bio. Just tap on edit bio, go to edit bio, and here you can see my bio, but this is not in a bold. Now all you have to do is just copy the text, go back, open the Google Chrome, search the bold text right here, and here you can see bold text generator. Tap on bold text. Now paste your copied text here, and here you can see its bold version. Now copy that text, copy that text, go back to your Facebook account and paste here your copied text. And here you can see it's the bold text now. Now just tap on the save, and now you can see your bio info is bold now. So this is how you can easily add bold info in your bio. Hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.